All right, we're going to play a second time, this one with a little more challenge because I've created a fraction number sentence. And so we'll let Miriam choose first this time. Same rules though, 4 strikes and you're out.
5.
A 5. There's no 5 in my number sentence. So that's 1x. Ammon?
1.
A 1. Yes, there is a 1, and I just realized, yeah, that's fine. So 1 is out, good. As a note to you teachers, it's a really helpful thing to be able to see your number sentence if it's a more complicated one, or else you'll miss numbers. Happens to me all the time. So it's nice to have it where you can see it and the students can. Okay, Miriam?
2.
A 2. So this is another bad situation that I should have had another 1, but there's still no 2. Okay. Not Miriam's fault. I don't think it would have affected it, but your turn, Ammon.
3.
3. There is a 3. Now you have 1/3. Okay? As a complete one. Do you know anything yet? Is there anything that you can be like, guaranteed I know the next number? What?
5 minus 3. No.
Well, that's true. You know 1/3, so you've got that. Is there anything else guessing what's coming that you can guarantee at this point?
It has to be bigger than 1.
True, good. So this fraction has to be greater than 1 because why?
That one's less than 1 and it adds up to 1.
So this one is less than 1, this one adds up to greater than 1. Excellent reasoning, very well done. Okay, so now you've got, but you still don't know exactly.
Are you mean about the fractions?
Was I mean?
About the fractions?
Well, that remains to be seen.
Meaning
Who
is
knows?
the next bottom one a multiple of 3?
Well, that is your job to find out.
6.
It's your turn,
6.
Miriam.
6.
6. You go 6. Okay, so you've got some more information now. Is there anything you know or can be?
Can you just erase those and turn them into 2 6s?
What?
Just so I can keep it in my head, the other one.
No, I can't change it now. You'll just have to figure it out. So while they're thinking, I'll talk to you guys as teachers. They're doing a lot of math right now. Like they're thinking through, could it be this? It can't be that, it could be this. They're doing a lot of just sitting there thinking, but this is great for students to do. Really good opportunity for them to just sit and reason. So I like this game a lot for that. It gets the kids thinking, doing could it be, no, they're problem solving, they're finding some reasoning and proof going on, so really good things. All right, you guys ready for your next? Go ahead, Ammon.
7.
A 7. There's no 7 in my,
Which means it's 8.
that's 3 strikes. So now it gets to either, if you guess it right, one of my 2 numbers remaining, then you win. If you don't, then I win.
Wait a second.
So is there anything you can eliminate?
4. No.
Oh, what? You told me that.
So, no, for the top one for that one, it can't be 4. It has to be either 8 or 9, and then 4 has to be the one above the 6 because it has to be less than either of those, except for the one. Right?
Could it be a 0?
The one on top of the 6? No.
Why not?
Because that would make it less than 1.
No, just
That would make it 1, right? 1 and 0 over 6 would
and
actually
it can't
be 1
8 or 9.
up here.
Mm-hmm.
Why not?
Because 6, 7, and 9, there's not enough numbers.
Okay. All right. You have a guess? Hammond's leaving it up to Miriam.
4 above the 6.
Well, you just have to say 4. It doesn't have to be in the right place, so that would make it a harder game, which you could do. Like, I think it's a 4 there. That would be easier for the teacher to win. Okay? There is a 4 right here. Now, can you actually prove, because you've only got a 0, 8, and 9 left.
And it can't be 0.
Can't be 0, because 1/3 plus 0 over 6 would not equal 1 4/6. This is a place where if you were in class, you would probably want to let them have paper and pencil. My kids don't have paper and pencil, but they're doing it all mental math. But this was a really good place for them to write it out.
It's 9.
Okay, so figure it out. 1/3 plus 9/6. What would that be? Ammon, what would you do to the 1/3 to get these to be able to be added?
Oh,
Oh,
it's 2/6.
Why is
So
this?
it would have to be 8 because that's another.
Why is this 2/6?
Because so it makes it equal to 8.
Gotta get common denominators, right? So this is like 2/6. So what would
8.
you're changing now? Are you sure?
Yeah.
8 or 9?
8.
8. You win. All right. 1/3 plus 8/6 in the end, after you do all the work, would equal 1 4/6. You could also write that as 10/6 if you wanted to. Yeah, that's another way to write or represent 1 4/6. That's why I sometimes got a little confused, because I had it written out in original and then I did the common denominator and renamed it and all that. Okay, so guys, that is 4 strikes and you're out. I lost both games, which is usually what you want as the teacher. You want the class to be excited. But every once in a while, if you win, that's kind of cool too. So, all right, thank you.